Students, we have discussed function, various type of functions. Today I am going to discuss some questions based on function, domain and range. First question is, state whether the given relation or function, if it is a function, determine its domain and range. First question is, this is the relation 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1, 17, 1. We can see from the arrow diagram whether it is a function or not. We draw the arrow diagram from domain to range 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, and all are associated with 1. So clearly it is a function and this is a constant function. Domain is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 and range is 1. So this is very simple and very clear. When it is asked whether it is a function or not, then we should use this arrow diagram. Similarly, let us see the second question. In the second question, this is asked, the domain is 0, 1, 4 and range is 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2. 0 is associated with 0, 1 is associated with 1 and minus 1, 4 is associated with 2 and minus 2. Clearly, it is not a function because in the domain 1 has 2 images, similarly 4 has also 2 images. Hence, this is not a function, and this is a function. Next question is, it is given that 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3 be a linear function from z to z. Find the function. So let us see how we can solve it. Let the function be y is equal to ax plus b. This is the equation of the linear function, or we can say this is fx. The fx is equal to y is equal to ax plus b. Here domain is 1, 2, 0, minus 1. We put 1, f1, to a plus b. What will be the range? 1. This is one equation. If we put 0, range is minus 1. f0, here it is 0 plus b is minus 1. This is second equation. From here, b is minus 1. So a minus 1 is 1. A is equal to 2. So a is 2, b is minus 1. Then required function is, the required function is fx is equal to y. What is the value of a? 2, x, and b is minus 1. This is the required function. Y is equal to 2x minus 1. This is how we can solve the question. Let us see some more questions. Question is, find the domain and range of the function fx is equal to 16 minus x square under the root. Dear friends, this is a very good question. How to find the domain and range? Let us see. The given function is fx is equal to 16 minus x square under the root. अब ये फंक्शन तभी डिफाइंड होगा जब 16 माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 होगा, क्योंकि अगर रूट के नीचे नेगेटिव क्वांटिटी आ जाती है तो हमारा वो इमेजिनरी बन जाता है, तो उसको हम ये नहीं कहेंगे फंक्शन डिफाइंड है। जब भी रूट की बात आए, स्क्वायर रूट की बात आए, तो हमने ये देखना है कि स्क्वायर रूट के नीचे की क्वांटिटी जितनी भी हो वो पॉजिटिव हो। तो इट मीन्स क्या हुआ, 16 माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू माइनस 16, एक्स स्क्वेयर इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 16 x is less than or equal to 4 and minus 4. So therefore domain will be domain of the function is equal to minus 4 and 4 in between these. Now range, for range let y is equal to 16 minus x square under the root, squaring both sides. Y square is equal to 16 minus x square. Here x square is equal to 16 minus y square, and x is equal to root 16 minus y square plus minus. So y is always positive from here. So what should be the value of y? Well, we see that the domain is minus 4 to 4. So let us see how we can calculate the value of y. Yes, this x is defined when 16 minus y square is positive, means 16 minus y square is greater than or equal to 0. Minus y square greater than or equal to minus 16 and y square less than or equal to 16. Here y is less than or equal to 4 and less than or equal to minus 4, but here this y, this is y, is greater than 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. Therefore y is greater than or equal to 0. Therefore the range will be 0 to 4. This is how we can calculate the domain and range of the function. This is very good question for competition exam also. One more question. The question is f is equal to x comma x square upon 1 plus x square, where x belongs to real and function is defined from real to real. Find range. So let us get the solution. Let y is equal to fx is equal to x square over 1 plus x square. So this is how we can start the question. Let us solve for the value of x. Y 1 plus x square is equal to x square. From here y plus x square y is equal to x square y minus x square is equal to minus y, and changing the sign, x square minus x square y is equal to y. Taking x square common, we will get 1 minus y is equal to y, and x square is equal to y upon 1 minus y, and x is equal to plus minus under the root y upon 1 minus y. तो x की ये वैल्यू हम प्राप्त करते हैं, परंतु x कब डिफाइंड होगा? जब ये y ओवर 1 माइनस वाई ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 होगा. अब ये दो कंडीशंस हैं, तो क्या होगा कि आइदर y is greater than equal to 0 and 1 minus y is greater than equal to 0, or y is less than 0 and 1 minus y is also less than 0. यानी कि या तो दोनों पॉजिटिव हो या दोनों नेगेटिव हो. केस फर्स्ट, when both are positive, y is greater than equal to 0, 1 minus y is also greater than equal to 0, minus y is greater than equal to minus 1, y is less than equal to 1. So from here we get 0 is less than equal to y is less than 1. So y lies from 0 to 1. Case second, when both are negative, y is less than 0, 1 minus y is less than equal to 0, minus y is less than equal to minus 1, y is greater than equal to 1. From here we get that y is greater than 1, greater than equal to 1, or y is less than equal to 0. This is not possible. Not possible. और एंड आना चाहिए, और क्योंकि दोनों कंडीशन नेसेसरी है, तो ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता 0 से कम भी और 1 से बड़ा भी हो, तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो यहां से रेंज हमारा क्या आ रहा है? 0 से 1. तो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन कैलकुलेट द रेंज ऑफ such type of questions. Let us discuss one more question. about domain and range. The question is, find the domain of the function fx is equal to x square plus 3x plus 5 upon x square minus 5x plus 4, x belongs to real. Let us see the solution. Fx is equal to x square plus 3x plus 5 over x square minus 5x plus 4. For finding the domain in such type of question, here numerator is always defined because all positive values, or in the denominator we make the factors x square minus 4x minus x plus 4, x square plus 3x plus 5. From here x common, x minus 4 minus 1 common, x minus 4, x square plus 3x plus 5, x minus 4, x minus 1. And we see that this function is defined only when x is not equal to 4 and x is not equal to 1. यानी कि डिनोमिनेटर 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. 0 कब होता है? जब x की वैल्यू 4 आ रही है या x की वैल्यू 1 आ रही है. इन दोनों वैल्यूज को छोड़कर कोई भी रियल वैल्यू हम यहाँ पे पुट करते हैं तो हमारा ये फंक्शन डिफाइंड है, 0 नहीं है. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि डोमेन ऑफ द फंक्शन विल बी, डोमेन ऑफ द फंक्शन will be all real except 4 and 1. यहां पे दो चीजें क्लियर होके आई हैं कि जब भी हम डोमेन की बात करें तो डिनोमिनेटर के अंदर 0 नहीं होना चाहिए और रूट के नीचे नेगेटिव नहीं होना चाहिए. ये दो चीजें हम अवॉइड करेंगे जब भी हम फंक्शन को डिफाइन करेंगे, जब भी हम डोमेन की बात करेंगे. लेट अस सी वन मोर क्वेश्चन. Students, this is a very interesting question. The question is y is equal to fx is equal to ax minus b upon bx minus a. Then show that fy is equal to x. तो पहले आप क्वेश्चन समझें. यहाँ पे ये दिख रहा है कि fx is equal to y और क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि fy is equal to x हो. तो अब हम निकालते हैं fy. y क्या दे रखा है हमारा? fx is equal to ax minus b upon bx minus a. What will be the fy? Here we are replacing x with y. Here a, x की जगह हम y रखेंगे. y की वैल्यू क्या है? ये पूरी वैल्यू. बस यहीं से क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा. ax माइनस b अपॉन bx माइनस a माइनस b अपॉन b इंटू ax माइनस b अपॉन bx माइनस a माइनस a. That is solved. Multiplying a square x minus ab upon bx minus a minus b upon abx minus b square upon bx minus a minus a. Now taking LCM above, a square x minus ab minus b square x minus minus plus ab upon bx minus a upon abx minus b square minus abx minus minus plus a square upon bx minus a. LCM cancel out. From here ab plus ab minus cancel out, abx plus abx minus cancel out. What will remain? A square x minus b square x upon a square minus b square. Taking x common, a square minus b square upon a square minus b square. This will cancel out. What we will get? This is equal to x and this is fy is equal to x, which we have to prove. So this was a very interesting question and you do at home. These were some questions from NCERT book and competition exams. These are the questions how we can know the domain and range of the question. Students, regularly do homework as I have told you in each and every lecture. Now you practice on these questions and you will get these very interesting. I hope you are doing your homework. Thank you very much.